Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone that's new, my name is Asia Santos and thank you for tuning into my video. If you want to see how I got these voluminous curls, then keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay you guys, so to start out, I have my hair which is freshly blow dried and deep conditioned and ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate my hair into smaller sections that are easy for me to manage. And then I'm going to go ahead and start applying my products. All the products that I'm using are by Creme of Nature. I will put a list of the products in the description box below for you guys. Okay you guys, so the method that I'm going to be using is called the horseshoe method, and it's so much easier to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm so happy you guys can see this video. But in a nutshell, basically you're going to take a FlexiRod and bend it in half, and then you're going to use both halves of the FlexiRod for your two sections of hair. And I think it's so convenient because when you run out of FlexiRods and you realize like, oh my gosh, I do not have time to go out and get any more, you can just use this method and save yourself a lot of time and a lot of stress. So just keep watching to see exactly what I'm talking about. So of course my daughter had to make a special appearance. As you guys can see, her lollipop is just invading my video. But I did want to come in and add that I don't think it matters which way you wrap your hair around the FlexiRod. I just prefer to wrap from the inside going outwards, but do as you like. Also, when you get to the bottom of the FlexiRod and your hair is nicely wrapped around, you want to go ahead and bend the FlexiRod just a little bit so that your hair doesn't slide off while you're sleeping or while your hair is drying throughout the day. So I just wanted to show you guys one more time up close what this method looks like. So just make sure you are tightly wrapping your hair around the FlexiRod. Not too tight that it gives you a headache though. We don't want no headaches, okay? But you just want to make sure your hair is secure. And you also want to make sure that you are laying the hair flatly on the rod and that you are bending the rod at the end so that your hair does not slip off. All right, you guys, this is the final look, and yes, I am feeling myself with these curls. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting videos weekly, so I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.